Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man, and today I will inform you how to get extra 100 US dollar. I will show you this on this video. 100 USDT, really important, please watch it. We're starting now. So guys, Binance, we have a really big stuff. We have really big news here from Binance. Want to get 100 USDT, register and deposit more than 50 US dollar into your account, will both get a 100 USDT cashback voucher. So guys, what does it mean? Binance is a really big trading platform. It's one of the greatest. I think it is the greatest platform. I'm trading on Binance since long time. And now we have on Binance no trading fees. So you can trade without paying anything for trading. And if you are using my registry code, my referral link, I will put it in the description, you can become from Binance 100 USDT, and I will also become for this 100 USDT. So we both will become 100 USDT. That's really amazing. And guys, you know it, if you are trading, it's good to have USDT. Guys, it's a digital coin and it has some risks. Please read about the USDT. But I'm using USDT since long time for trading, and I think it's really important to have it because you can go really fast out and in a trade with USDT. And it's the same as euro. It's one-to-one to as US dollar, it's one-to-one to the US dollar, but it has some risk. But you will become it for free if you are using more as 50 US dollar for your first account. And guys, this would help me and this would help you. That's not a financial advice, and I would not like to say, guys, you have to trade, go to Binance. But if you plan going to Binance, read a lot about this one, read about trading, watch my videos. Yes, of course, it's not easy to trade, and guys, you can lose all your money, so you only should use money you will be able to lose and not you are using for your living or for your home or for something like this. So it should be more a game for you and not a big thing for money. So it's really hard, guys, believe me, but you can try it and you can become, if you are using 50 US dollar, you become 100 US dollar, you 100 USDT, and I will also become your 100 USDT. It's a support for me and it's a nice to have for you. I will put the referral ID and the referral link in the description, and I hope you can use this if you are planning to trade. Guys, that's not a financial advice. Once again, I wish you the best of luck. Have a nice time. Greetings. Your Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man. Bye, guys.